Hey everybody, welcome to the 2020 school year. My name is Mary Lowe. I am an instructional facilitator with the Professional Learning Division of the Teaching, Learning, and Accountability Department. And yes, that is a mouthful. I wish we were meeting in person, but this will have to do for now. My job is to help you do your job. That means anything from supporting you through your professional learning, having some follow-up coaching conversations about that learning. I get to observe your instruction, and we get to have follow-up conversations about that. It's not evaluative, so no evaluations come from me. This is all about helping you do your job. So I look forward to all of those things, plus a few other things, whatever's needed to help you feel the best with what you're doing. Yes, we can do all of that virtually, although I do hope we get to do it in person one of these days. I have been with Special School District for 20 years. I've done everything from an ABA therapist, an elementary resource teacher in a couple of different North County districts. I've learned a lot over these years. It's my 5th year here in this position. And while I have learned so very much, the absolute best part of my job is the learning that I get from you. And I thank you in advance from the bottom of my heart. My contact information is at the bottom of the email where you found this link. So feel free to reach out to me anytime. Shoot me an email, give me a call. If a question arises, I'm here all day. You can look for some emails from me. I'm going to reach out individually, so I'll be in touch soon. But until then, have a great day. Don't hesitate to reach out for some help, and we'll talk soon. Have a great one, guys.